What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have another pair of heated socks, you guys. I told y'all we are on heated tour. I will be reviewing heated everything. Heated socks, heated heaters, heated blankets, whatever comes my way. Whoever wants to do any product review partnership with me dealing with heated, it will get reviewed. All right, you guys, so let me go ahead and get into this. And this may be a good gift for somebody for the holiday seasons. Now I noticed all heated socks are not equal. Okay, so I do have some heated socks, well, one pair of heated socks that's thinner than the other two that I have. This is the fourth pair that landed in the office, and we are going to go ahead and check it out. Okay, this seems semi-thick. I see some threading. Okay, that's just from the stitches. All right, so they have a different stitch pattern that's on the side. All right, so it's very different from the other pair. Once again, I will show y'all the different pairs. They don't have like their brand names on it or nothing. This is what you get. I don't think there's no app to this one, in which I don't mind. I usually control mine through the battery pack. Another thing I want to put out to y'all is that I don't keep it on the highest setting. I'm just going to be honest. The highest setting for me is very hot. Okay, like very, very hot. So the highest setting on here is 140 to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. That is very hot. That's insane. All right, so I always keep it on the lowest setting. That will be it with that. Let's go ahead and see what these power banks look like. Most of the power banks look the same when it comes to the socks. It's not really no big difference, but I will keep the power banks real close to the socks so they don't get mixed up, because I have power banks that goes with apps and I don't want to get them confused. So what I will do is I will probably try to label it somehow. I think that's the only thing. If you have multiple heated socks, it would be nice to like have like the brand name on the sock and then have the brand on the battery pack. That way you don't mix it up. You know, more than likely I will probably mix them up. That's just me. So what it is you get your charger right here. It's a dual charger. For the most part, most of them came with a dual charger for me. All right, so there you go. You have your dual charger right there. You have your washing mesh. Now, when it comes to washing, you don't want to put your battery packs in the washing machine, you guys. No, 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 no. All right, don't do that. So what I do is I will search for the pocket, right? And I will just put the wire inside of the pocket, because you can't take this out. Like if you try to take it out, you will probably break your sock or the wire on your sock, even if you pull as hard as possible. So don't do that. So what I do, and I will put it in here in the pocket where the battery pack goes. If you never seen these socks before, or you never seen heated socks, this is the area where the battery pack goes. This one is a little different because it don't have a like button. On the other ones, they have like a button where you can close it up. So that's how you put the battery pack in. And of course, you will put the wire in neatly, and that will be it. For the most part, these are high socks, so it will definitely reach up. I don't know, some of my other ones go to the kneecap, so I will let y'all know how far this one goes, obviously. All right, everyone, so I am going to go over these socks. I actually wore these at work, and let me tell you, my feet was very warm. All right, once again, with these, there is no app, so the battery is basically, you know, the battery right there. And then you have your 3 levels, and that's it. There's no other temperature adjustments or anything. Now, the one thing I want to say is if you have these on 3, this thing is like fire on your foot. Okay, it's like fire. Another thing is, I don't know if it's these ones. I have to look at the instructions again, but one of the pair of socks say they suggest that you put another pair of socks on, like underneath of these socks. I don't like socks over socks. That's just me, you guys. I do not like wearing two pair of socks. That's a personal thing for me. I feel like I will have to get like a bigger pair of shoes and stuff like that. Maybe if you have like really, really thin socks, then maybe that will work. But yeah, I just don't like wearing two pair of socks. So that's just me. All right. But other than that, I will not have this on the third level, you guys. The third level, it felt really, really hot. All right. I had it on level 1 for like, I think it was like almost 10 hours. I think I had it on more than that, like almost most of the day. So these batteries last very long on level 1. I had it on level 1. So I tried level 3 out when I first started it, and it was very hot. Now I am a size 11. You still may be able to fit. You still got some stretch room in here. So don't know if y'all can see that or not, so sorry. But you still got some stretch room. With these, you can really feel the coils. Not too much, but you can actually feel where the coil is on here. And then when you rub it in, it kind of like fades into the sock. So these ones you definitely could feel the coils. Yeah, the other app one didn't get as hot as these socks. These socks get very hot and they work fast. These socks work very fast. So as soon as you turn it on, like 10 seconds, you start feeling the heat. So that's a plus right there. And that will be it, you guys. They feel good. Somebody asked me, is the battery pack uncomfortable? I'm gonna be honest, me personally, I don't even feel the battery pack, like on none of the socks. Any of the socks I have that I have reviewed, like the battery pack is not like a nuisance or anything. So I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe it's the way my legs feel, but if I have my pants down, like, I don't know, maybe if you're running, maybe. I never really try to run with them, but if I shake like this, I can feel it a little bit, but it's not like annoying. But I'm not sure if you're running or not. So you could test that out yourself, because I'm not going to be running for y'all just to test that out. But the battery pack don't feel uncomfortable, you guys. Another thing with this, the other socks had like a little button to lock in the battery. So this one, you just have to put in the battery and that's it. It closes up. The other ones had like a little button right there to make sure the battery don't slip out. But the battery is not going to slip out, you guys. Well, not for me, but the battery for me haven't slipped out. So for me, it's tight enough. The button is unnecessary. All right, so that's about it, you guys. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.